Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select language information on the Messenger application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Now tap on the profile icon that you will see in the upper left corner of the screen. Scroll down to the account settings section, click on it. Now tap on translation for posts. Here at this section you will be able to select your translation preferences. At the language and region settings, you can see there are 4 functions or aspects that you can select. The first one is the language for buttons, titles and other text from Facebook for this account. Now it is set to English, as you can see, but if you click on it you are able to change it. As you can see, if you scroll down, there is a vast variety, or there are a vast variety of languages that you can choose from. All you have to do is clicking on the one of your preferences that you would like to change it for. So if you go back, you are going to see that the second option is the language you'd like to have posts translated into. If you click on it, you are going to see that the default option is English, so it's set to English now, but the other or the same languages are offered to you, so you are able to select from a bunch of these languages. So click on the relevant one. And now the third one is languages you don't want to be offered translations for. Here you can select more languages, so tap on the relevant ones. The options are the same as they've been before. And the last one is languages you don't want automatically translated. So with the same, or by using the same method, select the languages of your preferences. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.